Hi everyone. I wanted to talk a little bit about the senior seminar assignment for this week. Also give you a couple of dates for seniors. The last assignment for this class will be posted next Sunday, the 17th. Assignments will be due by Thursday, May 21st. However, you'll still have until the last day of school, which is June 5th, to submit all assignments for this quarter. Remember, you have to pass each class with at least a 60% earned credit for this quarter. And if you're on track to graduate, you have to complete all of your required credits. If you have any questions, let Marshall know. Okay, so this week we're going to be learning about car insurance. Last week we learned about credit scores, and reading credit reports. And so everybody pays a different amount for auto insurance. There's 5 different factors that influence how much you'll pay. Here are the 5 different factors. So you're going to be watching this video and completing these statements about each of those factors. And if you scroll down, there's 5 different types of auto insurance. So liability coverage, personal injury protection, collision coverage, uninsured or underinsured coverage, and comprehensive coverage. You're going to be learning about those 5 different types of insurance by watching this video. And then there are 8 scenarios. And so for each scenario, you'll read it and then try to guess which of those 5 insurance types it's referring to, and then a little explanation about why you believe that. And then you're going to practice reading an auto insurance policy. So let's call this person John Doe. There's 4 big parts to reading an auto insurance policy. You're going to take a look at the different types of insurance coverage. And so these different types match up to the 5 types that you learned about in Part B. Limits refers to how much the insurance company will pay out, the maximum amount. Deductible is how much you have to pay out of pocket before the insurance money kicks in. And the premium adds up to the total that you owe for having that auto insurance policy. That could either be paid out monthly, every 6 months, or once a year, depending on your payment plan. And finally, there's a discounts area. So if your car has some things that are eligible for discounts, such as anti-lock brakes or anti-theft, then it reduces your premium or the amount that you have to pay for insurance. There are some questions that go with reading the auto insurance policy, so you'll keep referring back to that policy. And then at the end, it ends with what 2 types of auto insurance coverage are the most important to have. And there's multiple different answers for this one that are that I can take, but as long as you support your answer with reasons why. Next week we're going to end with a little personal narrative of someone who recently graduated high school and how they're doing financially, and you'll have some reflection to do around that. All right, thank you.